Hello everyone, welcome back to episode 5 of English A to Z vocabulary series. Today we'll touch upon 5 E-letter words. But let's first discuss the word which I left for you before diving into the world of E-letter words. And the word was deja vu. It's a phenomena where one feels as if one has lived through the present situation in the past. Or we can say it's a feeling of already having experienced a new situation even though it's happening for the very first time. इसे आप समझ सकते हैं, ये एक ऐसी फीलिंग होती है जिसमें आपको लगता है ये सेम टू सेम सिचुएशन मेरे साथ पहले हो चुकी है, तो उसको हम इंग्लिश में डेजा वू कहते हैं. I would also like to tell you deja vu comes from French and it literally means already seen. That's what deja vu means. Let's see a sentence. I immediately felt a sense of deja vu when I entered my friend's house. I hope the meaning is clear. Now just sit back with a pen and learn some E-letter words which are lined up for the day. The very first word for the day is exuberant. It is used for a person or his or her behavior. Like if someone is full of energy, excitement, or we can say a very cheerful person. जैसे हम कह सकते हैं कोई उल्लासपूर्ण व्यक्ति, जीवंत, जिसे हम कहते हैं vibrant person, तो हम उसे exuberant कहते हैं. Let's make a sentence to make it more clear. In the morning hours, his dog is in its most exuberant mood. This brings me to the second word and that is emanate. It means to produce or show something. इसे हम कहते हैं प्रकट होना, उत्पन्न होना या कुछ निकलना. अब हम इसे एक एग्जाम्पल से समझेंगे. Gravitating smells emanated from the hotel's kitchen. Heavy smoke was emanating from the stubble burning. Now let's see the third word. Erudite. It means having or showing great knowledge that is based on careful study. इसे हम कह सकते हैं विद्वान, विद्वत्तापूर्ण. हम कहते हैं learned person, उसे ही हम erudite कहते हैं. आप बोल सकते हैं an erudite researcher, an erudite scientist. Now let's form a sentence for a better understanding. She was one of the most erudite students of her age. Next word is ergonomics. It's the science of designing workplace and equipment to fit the physical and cognitive capabilities of the people who use them. Now I'll break it down for you. ये एक process है जिसमें हम किसी भी वर्कप्लेस, इक्विपमेंट और या किसी भी कमोडिटी को यूजर फ्रेंडली और ज्यादा से ज्यादा आरामदायक बना सके. फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल, इट्स एवरीडे एग्जाम्पल. हम कुकिंग ऑयल यूज करते हैं, हमने उसकी बॉटल्स को देखा होगा, उसकी बॉटल का कैप ओपन करते हैं, उसमें एक हॉलो लूप होता है जिसको आप बाहर पुल करते हैं और वो बॉटल ओपन हो जाती है. सो हियर इट इज एन ergonomics. This is the entire aim and exercise of ergonomics. Let me take you to the example sentence. Office has workstations with ergonomic chairs. And the last word for the day is endeavor. It means to try hard, कठिन परिश्रम करना. It can be used both as a noun as well as a verb. In the first sentence, we'll see it as a noun. The organization